Christmas now. Let us gather to sing to Him and to bring to Him our praise. Son of God and a friend of all, to the end of all our days. Sing hosannas, hymns and hallelujahs, as to Him we